Okay, y'all, welcome back to Tag's Kitchen. Today, I'm making the grinder. Look, I just heard about this. Y'all can call me crazy, slow, whatever. No, don't come for me, because I come back. But, we're going to make the grinder. Yep. That's how we're doing it. Today, and I am real picky about my lettuce. Real picky. I don't like nothing to touch. All right, we're going to put this on over in this bowl right here. All this is going in the bowl. And we're going to rough chop. Just like this. Chop it up. Chop it up. All right. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. So now I'm cutting up this onion for the sandwich. I just had to rinse my lettuce because you can't eat that like that. You gotta rinse that stuff. Oh, and I'll be right back after I chop up this onion and grab some tomato. All right, here we go. Mix the onion with the tomato. The lettuce. Now I'll be right back. I gotta get a tomato. Here we go. Break it down. And I got the whole wrong bowl. That's okay though. Okay, with me, I skin all my tomatoes because of COVID and people touched them. So I wash them off. Not wash, but rinse really good. And then I skin them. Just like this. And I make sure, I don't care if I peel the whole tomato apart. Alright, set that over there. Alright, now we're going to slice this. Don't slice it the way I'm doing it, because you're going to cut your hand off. I don't like the tomato when it's like that. Okay, there we go. Alright, we'll be right back. Okay. We're going to put the butter in here. Real quick and easy like. Look, y'all. I'm using some Slap Your Mamas in this. I know I should have had in some smoked paprika. I should have had a bigger bowl. Sure should have. And some garlic. A little shake of this, a little shake of that. And some black pepper. Yes, indeedy. There we go. Alright. Now we're going to mix this all up together. And we'll be right back after we spread this on the sandwich. You guys, we're back. So this is what we're going to do now. We're going to cut this loaf of French bread in half. Like we had Subway somewhere. And I wanted bacon real bad, but I didn't feel like cooking it. So we're not going to put any on here. Maybe next time. I'll do this again, trust me. That's just what I do. Alright, here's our butter sauce. It's a lot of garlic in here. Here we go. With that butter. All day long. Just like this. Yes, baby. Oh, yeah. I sure did melt this in the microwave. Mmm. And spread it around. Get it on up in there. Yes. Ain't no more in there. Ah. Be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all. We can build a sandwich. We're going to put some provolone. Yes, we are. On this. Rip it in half. Because I'm a pro vegan. Oh, okay. And then we're going to throw some mozz up on here. Don't even worry about it. Just like this. Alrighty then. And in the oven it goes. Alright guys. We're going to start building these sandwiches. Look. This is onion and some lettuce. I keep wanting to say tomato. I don't know why. This is Maya's half, so she really can't wait. She is holding this camera. And she got banana peppers. I don't like them. And this is my half. Oh. We melted that good old cheese. She thought that was going for her. It's like, I'm just playing. Alright. There's a good juicy tomatoes. We'll put these on the other side. I don't know. Now let's start with some ham. Do-do-do-do. Oh my God. I just can't wait to eat it. Like, can't wait to bust this down. Alright, we're gonna move this on this side. Don't get out the view of the sandwich. Alright, you guys, here goes some turkey. We're putting some turkey on this thing, too. Maya, you don't know what to do you?
Oh, not at all. I'm just waiting for my sandwich.
Not the sandwich. Oh, here we go. And we got an extra piece. Look at that. Eat it, Maya. Yummy. Okay. Have to clean up as you go. Let me move this. That's for the night. More sandwiches. So I made everybody else spaghetti. And I made me and Maya sandwiches. Alright, this is what we got here. We got some love hard salami, y'all. Gotta try it. Hard salami. Put that over there. And some pepperonis. Oh my goodness. And it's going to take me forever to open this. I'll be back, y'all, after I get this open. Alright, we got some pepperonis going up on here. Why they taste real hot? Oh my God. What is this? Less fat. Okay. They turkey. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with turkey. We got some on the sandwich, don't we? All right. This is Maya's sandwich, you guys. So this is our take on, let me fold that in the grinder. Fold it on, and we losing all kinds of pepperonis and everything. That's all right. That's meant for a blooper, ain't it? And smush it down. And look at your sandwich. Messy as ever. Take a picture of that one. Boom. Thumbnail. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, family, I don't know, cousins, I don't know. Share with everybody, honey. Leave me a comment. Bye.